Is audio note-taking good for lectures? Have you ever wondered if recording your lectures could actually help you study better? Let's take a closer look at audio note-taking and see how it can work for you. Audio note-taking can be a highly effective way to capture and review lecture content. It has some clear benefits that can really support your learning. First, when you record a lecture, you get to capture everything that is said. This is especially helpful if you find it hard to keep up with the pace of the lecture. Sometimes, it can be tough to write down every detail while also trying to understand the material. With audio recording, you can listen to the lecture again later at your own pace. This can help you understand and remember the information better. Next, many modern audio note-taking tools come with features that make the process even easier. Some apps allow you to synchronize your audio recordings with your typed or handwritten notes. This means you can click on your notes and jump right to that part of the lecture. This integration can lessen the pressure during lectures because you do not have to write everything down right away. Instead, you can focus on understanding what is being taught. Audio note-taking also helps you develop better study habits. After the lecture, you can listen to the recording and analyze your notes. You can highlight important sections and organize your notes in a way that makes sense to you. This kind of active engagement with the material is important for learning beyond just the lecture. Many students find that audio note-taking is easy to use. It can also help reduce anxiety about missing important information during lectures. Knowing you have a reliable recording to refer back to can make a big difference. For those who may not feel confident in their note-taking skills, audio recording can serve as a helpful tool to improve over time. From a practical standpoint, you can use your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to record lectures and take synchronized notes. There are many apps available that can help you do this effectively. This combination of audio and written notes creates a solid study resource, especially when preparing for exams or working on assignments. In summary, audio note-taking is a great option for lectures. It captures complete information, reduces stress during note-taking, supports review processes, and helps improve your note-taking skills. When you combine audio recording with digital tools that allow you to annotate and synchronize, you create a powerful method for studying and engaging with lecture content.